Here's what's going on right now. We've got the sunshine. That's the first one. One day of cold. 24 hours is all I need. Then you can stop hating me. We're done with the cold for a little while then. Near 50 degrees as we get into the end of the extended forecast. So it's going to feel great beyond that point. Current temperatures, 4 in Essexville, 3 in Freeland, -3 in Mount Pleasant. So pretty big difference as you just go from the Tri-Cities over towards Mount Pleasant. Off to the east, -2 in Bad Axe, -3 in Sandusky. Now, wind chills are a little cooler in a few spots. -12 in Standish, -13 in Tawas, -11 over in Bad Axe. So we're talking about some colder air still hanging onto the area. 18 degrees for your high across the southern counties, and that is going to be a little interesting for today. Our record low maximum for the southern counties for today is 20 degrees, and we might not reach that mark, which means we could have another record low that we could break for today. The Tri-Cities record low maximum is 17 degrees, so we could tie that, and if we go a little higher, well, then that's good. But if we don't reach 17, then we would break that mark as well. However, I'm hoping we at least tie that mark. Northern counties, don't even worry about it. 15 degrees for your high today. You had a little bit of a colder one, so you should be fine. We are still mostly sunny. Now, as we go into tonight, 0 degrees for your low overnight. A few clouds start to come on in. Coldest night out of the extended forecast. Now, in the Futurecast, here's what we got in store for you. We've got that cloud cover really thin. Even though it looks like there's more, our model's A, a little too heavy on that, and B, it's actually really high up. Like I mentioned, it's that real thin layer, just to kind of texture things. It's going to be bright and sunny. You're just not necessarily going to see bright blue sky all day. So you'll still feel fine. But once we get into tonight, the cloud cover, like I mentioned, a few clouds, but those thin out very quickly. We plummet because of it, because those cloud covers are so easy to get rid of. And we're going to look at a low about 0 with wind chills down towards -15 all over again by the time we get into tomorrow morning, hopefully getting better by noon. But the thing is, we could watch for an advisory to be issued north of I-69. It's unlikely, though. It's not going to be everywhere at once, and it's not going to be for a very long period of time that we would reach that -15 mark. Overall, though, just a few flurries that come in again for the northern counties tomorrow night. The next 7, though, here's what's in store for you. You need to change your clocks as we go into Sunday morning. Set them forward 1 hour because, well, we spring ahead. We've got sunshine also for next week after that very light dusting of snow Saturday and also some flurries on Sunday night. We've got 40s, though, all of next week. Look how great that looks, 49 degrees.